Ever found yourself in a financial pinch, needing a little extra cash to tide you over? Maybe an unexpected bill popped up, or perhaps you spotted an incredible deal you just couldn't miss. Whatever the reason, you might have considered taking out a loan. But what if one loan isn't enough? What if you need a bit more, and you're wondering if you can apply for multiple loans simultaneously? Especially on platforms like Branch, which make borrowing so accessible. Well, that's exactly what we're diving into today. Can you apply for multiple loans at once on the Branch app? Before we get into the specifics of Branch, let's talk a little bit about why someone might consider taking out multiple loans. As we touched on earlier, unexpected expenses are a common reason. A sudden car repair, a medical bill, or a home emergency can all throw a wrench into your budget. Sometimes, these expenses occur close together, creating a larger financial burden. Another reason might be consolidating existing debt. Perhaps you have several smaller debts with high interest rates, and you're thinking about taking out a larger loan to consolidate them into a single payment with a potentially lower interest rate. This can simplify your finances and potentially save you money in the long run. Then there are opportunities. Maybe you found a fantastic investment opportunity or a limited time offer on something you need. Taking out a loan could enable you to seize these opportunities. Finally, some people use loans for planned expenses like home renovations, education, or even vacations. Whatever the reason, the need for multiple loans can arise in various situations. Now, let's bring Branch into the picture. Branch is a popular digital lending platform that provides quick and convenient access to loans through a mobile app. It's known for its streamlined application process and relatively fast approval times, making it an attractive option for many. But the key question remains, does Branch allow you to apply for multiple loans at the same time? The short answer is generally no. Branch, like most reputable lending platforms, typically allows you to have only one active loan at a time. This means that before you can apply for a new loan, you must fully repay your existing loan, including any applicable interest and fees. This policy is in place for several reasons, primarily focused on responsible lending and preventing borrowers from becoming over-indebted. Think about it this way. Allowing users to take out multiple loans simultaneously could quickly lead to a situation where they're struggling to manage multiple repayments, potentially leading to missed payments, late fees, and a negative impact on their credit score. By limiting users to one loan at a time, Branch helps to ensure that borrowers can comfortably manage their repayments and avoid falling into a debt cycle. So, what are your options if you need more funds while you have an existing Branch loan? Well, the most straightforward approach is to repay your current loan. Once you've successfully repaid it, you're then eligible to apply for a new loan, potentially for a higher amount if your financial situation and creditworthiness allow. Another option, if you need a larger sum than Branch offers, is to explore other lending options. This could include traditional bank loans, credit unions, or other online lending platforms. Each of these options has its own set of requirements, interest rates, and repayment terms, so it's crucial to do your research and compare different offers to find the best fit for your needs. It's also worth noting that Branch's loan limits can vary depending on several factors, including your credit history, repayment behavior, and overall financial profile. As you consistently repay your loans on time, Branch may gradually increase your loan limit, allowing you to borrow more in the future. This incentivizes responsible borrowing and rewards users for their good financial habits. Now, let's address some common misconceptions about applying for multiple loans. Some people might think that applying for several loans at once, even from different lenders, will increase their chances of getting approved. However, this is generally not the case. In fact, it can have the opposite effect. When you apply for a loan, lenders typically perform a credit check. Multiple loan applications in a short period can raise red flags for lenders, as it may suggest that you're experiencing financial difficulties or are desperately seeking credit. This can negatively impact your credit score and make it harder to get approved for loans in the future. Another misconception is that taking out multiple small loans is less risky than taking out one large loan. While it might seem that way, managing multiple loan repayments can be more challenging than managing a single payment. Keeping track of different due dates, interest rates, and loan terms can become overwhelming, increasing the risk of missed payments and late fees. So, to reiterate the main point, you generally cannot apply for multiple loans at once on the branch app. You must repay your existing loan before applying for a new one. This policy is in place to promote responsible lending and protect borrowers from over-indebtedness. If you find yourself needing more funds than your current branch loan allows, consider repaying your existing loan and applying for a new one, exploring other lending options, or reassessing your financial needs. It's always crucial to borrow responsibly and ensure that you can comfortably manage your repayments. Remember, borrowing money is a serious financial commitment. It's essential to understand the terms and conditions of any loan you take out, including the interest rate, repayment schedule, and any associated fees. Make sure you can comfortably afford the repayments before you commit to a loan. Before we wrap up, it's important to emphasize the importance of financial literacy. Understanding how loans work, managing your budget, and making informed financial decisions are crucial skills that can help you achieve your financial goals and avoid financial pitfalls. There are numerous resources available online and offline that can help you improve your financial literacy, so take advantage of them. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.